Let customers experience the ease and convenience of mobile ordering right from their phones. Sapaad Direct is an advanced QR dine-in ordering solution that lets guests scan, order, and pay from their own devices. It comes with fun and seamless group ordering, multiple payment options, and targeted menu upsells. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Sapaad Direct for your restaurant. Let's get started. First, we need to enable Sapaad Direct. To do this, go to Setup, Sapaad Add-ons, then Sapaad Direct Settings. On the Primary Settings tab, you'll see two dine-in modes, Pay First and Open tab. Pay First is ideal for quick service restaurants, where customers complete payment for their orders before the kitchen prepares them. Open tab is recommended for restaurants that want to give customers ordering flexibility. Customers can keep adding items to their cart throughout their meals and pay for them once they're finished eating. In this video, we're selecting Open tab. For a tutorial on how to set up Pay First, check out the link in this video's description box. You can customize the color palette of your digital menu and add a company logo so that the menu matches your brand identity. You can also enable Accept Tips to allow tips from dine-in customers, and enable email OTPs as well as CAPTCHA verification for added customer security. Our separate videos on enabling email OTPs for Sapaad Direct and enabling CAPTCHA verification for Sapaad Direct will walk you through these processes. You can check them out in the video description below. If you own a store URL, place it in the designated domain name field. See our separate video on creating your own subdomain on Sapaad Direct to be guided through this process. You can check this out in the video description below. Once all settings are good, click Save. Next, we need to set up payments. With Sapaad Direct, your customers can pay conveniently using a payment gateway applicable in your country. To set up payments, go to Setup, Sapaad Add-ons, then Sapaad Direct Settings. On the Payment Type tabs, there will be several payment options. Online payments are mandatory for Sapaad Direct Open tab. To accept online debit or credit card payments, you must integrate your payment gateway into your Sapaad account. Sapaad Direct supports Stripe, PayTabs, MyFatura, iPay88, PayU, and more. Contact us at support@sapaad.com for the list of payment gateway representatives in your region. Locate your payment gateway. For this video, let's choose Stripe and tick the Enable box. Key in all the required details and click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Sapaad Direct for your restaurant. Check out our video on selecting menu items on Sapaad Direct. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.